Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our online class. I am Afroza Sultana. Today I will take an English second paper class of class 7. And our today's topic is on articles. Dear students, this topic article is in unit 9, page 83. At the beginning of the lesson, I would like to show you a passage. I quote this passage from your textbook. Read the passage and notice the word written in italic. Rajshahi is an old city. It stands on the Padma. In a village called Bausha in Rajshahi, there is a man who is recognized as a book lover. He is Polan Sarkar. Polan Sarkar is an old man. He buys books with his own money. He lends villagers books. The villagers become delighted with books they borrow from Sarkar. They have found that reading is a good habit. Look, there are some words written in italic. In the first sentence, the word is an, and in the second sentence, the, then come to third sentence, a. Like that, there are some words there, a, an, and the. So these words are called article. So what is article? What can we say? An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or not. A and the are articles. There are some examples. I need an apple. Here the speaker does not want any specific apple. He can have any apple. And example number 2, I need the apple on the table. Here the speaker means that he needs the specific apple which is on the table. There are two types of article. Number 1 is definite article and number 2 is indefinite article. So what is definite article? The definite article tells us that the noun is specific. The is the definite article. Example, the box is small. Here the speaker refers to a specific box which is small. Now let's come to indefinite article. The indefinite article tells us that the noun is not specific. The speaker talks about any one of that type of thing. The indefinite articles are a and an. Look at the example. I need a pen. I need an umbrella. Today we'll learn different uses of definite articles, that is the. That means why should we need to place article the? There are some rules. Rule number 1, the definite article the is used before the singular common nouns to represent the whole classes of these common nouns. The example, the cow is a domestic animal. Here the word cow means the whole classes and the dog is a faithful animal. Here the word dog refers to the whole classes. Then the can be used before the name of holy books. Example, the Holy Quran, the Holy Gita. And number 3, the is placed before superlative degree. That means a superlative degrees of adjective. You know, adjective has 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So you must put definite article the before the superlative form of adjective. Look at the example. Anupam is the best boy in the class. Here best is the superlative form of good. And number 2, Mashrafi is the tallest player in the team. Tallest, which is the superlative form of adjective tall. The is to denote the name of a nation. The Bengalis are freedom loving. Bengalis means a nation. We are Bengalis. And number 2, the English are industrious. Here English refers to the people of England. Then come to the next rule. The is used before adjectives to mean the whole of a particular class. The rich are not always happy. The virtuous are always happy. Then the is used before the name of a newspaper, such the Daily Star, the Daily Ittifaq. Daily Star and Daily Ittifaq are the name of newspapers. Then come to another rule. The is used before ordinal number, month and date. She secured the first position in this examination. Here first is the ordinal number. First, second, third, this type of numbers are called ordinal number. And number 2, he was born on the 26th December 2009. Then come to the next rule. The is used before singular existing noun. Example, the sun rises in the east. The earth moves from the sun. Sun, earth. They are the only one existing in the world. So you have to use definite article before them. Next rule. The is used before the name of the mountain range. The Himalayas, the Alps. Come to the next rule. The is used before the name of ocean. The Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. The is also used before the name of lake. The African Great Lake. Then come to the next rule. The is used before the name of a group of islands. The Andamans, the Philippines. They are group of islands, not a single island. Then the is used before the name of river, like the Padma, the Meghna. Now come to your homework. You have to insert definite article the where necessary. I have given there 5 sentences. You have to put article where necessary. That means you have to select the places where article is needed. Try to complete the homework, and when your school reopens, you will show it to your related teacher. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining the class.